Right there. Are you ready? Attention.
The history of dragon boat racing goes back all the way to ancient China. And just like all things that are popular, they somehow end up in the United States. Fast tracking to 2018, June 2nd, here in Blue Island, Illinois. The Blue Island Park District is hosting the 3rd annual Dragon Boat Race, which is a celebration of dragon boat racing, community gathering, good food, good drinks, good friendly competition, and just all around fun.
We have double play here, serving up food. We also have dessert first by the Dohertys.
Awesome stuff right here. Thank you.
Also, Ray Bauer is here. He's got some shish kebabs going on. Blue Island Beer Company has beer. The Park District obviously is putting this whole event on. So just a lot of great folks that are here. State Representative Rita's here as well, just to enjoy the day and enjoy this waterfront that we have in Blue Island.
We are the Blue Island Beer Company team and partnered with some friends from the Rock Island Public House to make a full boat. There is a little bit of beer that we make right here in town on Old Western Avenue at 13357. 2 beers that are serving of ours is the Five Bridges German Kolsch, which is a nice traditional beer, easy drinking. The Hard Luck IPA is our version of the American IPA. It's hoppy, a little citrusy, piney, a little higher alcohol. And nice valid beer.
Bibco!
There's the engine room, which is the middle. They're supposed to be the strongest. The back is the rocket, which is supposed to be to push the boat, and the front 6 is supposed to be the pacers to set the pace of the boat. Teamwork, synchronicity, being together as a team, that's the key. You don't have to be fast, but you have to be in sync. That's the key to, winning.
All right, first trophy we're giving out is for the B Division final. Ironically, that is going to the A team.
Come on, A team, let's go. Let's go, bring it in.
All right, with a time of 52:20, the winner of the Division Finals consolation bracket is the Blue Island Beer Company. Our grand finale trophy, as you might tell, this was a contest between the 2 teams with the best jerseys. This was an extremely close race. 52:20 was the second place finish, bested by a time of 51:52. Congratulations, Chicago Blades.